Hey there, welcome to your favorite channel. In this video, we'll be looking at how you can get paid over $800 to open emails of any kind as much as you can faster than a 9-to-5 job can afford you. Before we begin, I do have some good news for you. As you know, we are a people-oriented community and we do our best to bring our loving viewers the best opportunities there are. We also provide periodic rewards for an excellent job done. On this occasion, 10 super lucky subscribers will stand a chance to win this month's $1,000 cash prize. Each superfan of this channel that gets chosen will get $100 each from us in cash prizes and PayPal money. It is our dynamic way of giving back to the community and a thank you from the bottom of our hearts. So how do you get in for the competition? There are 3 easy steps you can take to be part of it. Subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Like all of our videos by simply pressing the like button below. And finally, the most crucial step is that I want you to count how many times I say the word money in the video. And I want you to comment down below the number while leaving a comment about why you like our videos. Make sure to do all 3 of these steps in all of our future videos for the entire month. And once again, 10 lucky winners will be announced every month via our community posts. That makes sense, right? Don't hesitate to be a part of this golden opportunity. Now let's get into the video. They say there are no easy ways to make money, and all we can say is, what? You just haven't done enough research. Many young and older adults make easy money using online resources without moving an inch from the comforts of their bed. Do you want to know what we think? You can do the same as well and even more. You can earn close to $800 just by opening emails. It sounds weird. No, that is an inappropriate word to use. It's simply amazing that opening an email can earn you $8.09 is unthinkable. We know how exhaustive it is to go through emails, both the ones you subscribe to willingly and those who you have been compelled to join. It can cause you to abandon your mail for ages without motivation to check them all. We think that would be a thing of the past only if the whole process is incentivized. What are we trying to say? It's because you are probably not motivated to do such a thing, and what else can prove to be the right motivation if not money? Maybe you've never imagined that you could probably get some fundamental value for having to go through the stacks of boring emails that come into your email every single day. As you will get to know later in this video, earning money by opening your emails is actually a thing. We will be introducing you to a fantastic website that offers you a variety of opportunities aside from your email to make as much money as you want. For us, every road leads to money. We spend every breath trying to discover jaw-dropping ways to earn money that would sweep you off your feet, and this is one of them. One of the frequently asked questions about this opportunity is, oh, is it a program run by the companies behind each email? No, it's not. It would be unfruitful to rely on these platforms to willingly give out money to their users, no matter how little. They do majorly take from you using your activities and personal data provided on their platform. Imagine a website where all you have to do is sign up and read emails. It is not left to your imagination given what this particular website has to offer. How does the website pay its users? The acceptable payment platform is none other than PayPal. PayPal could very well be the #1 payment platform that is widely accepted for its seamless and secure transactions. This is what makes it unique. It comprises some of the most functional systems that present every chance of providing you with extra income. In general, you get to receive daily paid emails and earn as much as $8 per email. We will explain this in full detail a little later. The features of the website include swift payment processing to PayPal. Unlike other platforms that may appear similar to this one, you can begin making withdrawals once you reach the minimum withdrawal level of about $15. It can take up to a year or 2 to accumulate $5 on specific programs, and even at that, you may be unable to withdraw the money despite all the efforts you put in. If you commit to seeing through this platform, you can make the $15 within a day or 2 of registration on the app. Exquisite. What other perks do you stand to enjoy? As a new user, you automatically get a sign-up bonus worth $3. It gives you a head start towards achieving your goal of hitting the minimum withdrawal of about $15. And it's that easy. As an added advantage, you do not have to get stuck with reading emails alone, even if it stands a higher chance of earning you more income. The website offers you a thrilling set of survey options that will only take a minute or two to complete, and every time you complete a survey, you earn 50 cents to $1 per survey. In your mind, you're probably comparing it to other survey platforms that you know of before. It is on a whole different level. One thing that survey sites have in common is that they do not give enough surveys. We once encountered a particular paid survey website that only enabled users to take one survey per day, and it spent about 3 cents per day. Now, I want you to imagine how long it would take you to earn anything tangible from it. Let's say that you answered a survey per day, and for 30 days in a month, the total accrued earnings would be about 90 cents. What the? It's not even $1. In a year, you'd have less than $12 to call your own. Relying on something like that is like setting yourself up for pain and hard labor, especially if you are still unable to withdraw after accruing the required withdrawal amount. It can be so painful that it brings tears into our eyes. This website in particular is paidtoreademails.com. FYI, you can check out our video description section for the link to access the website. Slow your roll. You need to know a few more things about the website and how much you can benefit from it. You can sign up in a few easy steps. Visit the URL and click sign up. On the registration page, enter your correct first name and last name as well as your email. Proceed to type a strong password that you also won't easily forget. Choose your gender and enter your unique zip or postal code. And the last thing that will be required of you is to authenticate and affirm that you are not a robot. Once your details have been approved, your account is immediately credited with a $3 sign-up bonus. With the surveys, you have 3 categories to benefit from. The first one can earn you between 35 cents to $1 per survey. And guess what? You can do that as many times as you want per day. It's unlimited. The same goes for the second option. The third option, Dynata, offers at least 45 cents to the dollar for 10 surveys per day. On this platform, the amount you earn depends heavily on the kind of survey under the category. A survey can make you 50 cents, while another can earn you 70 cents or $1, as the case may be. Finally, let's move on to how you can earn money via email. There are several email options that you can consider for setting up your account. Yahoo, Gmail, Hotmail, Outlook are credible options, but Yahoo and Gmail are the most popular emails that users tend to use on this platform. Do you have an active Yahoo or Gmail account? Yes? No? Let us know in the comment box. If you do not have an email, register with Yahoo or Gmail and set up your mail in about a minute or two. Whatever email you choose, one thing is consistent. You need to consistently check in with your inbox as many times as possible. You'll be notified once the paid mail has come in, and then you have to log in and open the email. Carefully read the email and look out for a link or an image that is clickable. You don't have to do much. What the links do is that they take you to specific websites that contain information or products. You don't have to copy and paste anything or comment on any post. You have to stay on the page for at least 30 seconds. The minimum requirement that you can do is not to maintain a static screen for the duration of the 30 seconds for the payment to reflect in your pay-to-read email dashboard. You can scroll up and down and click any part of the website to affirm to the system that you are not a robot, and that is all there is to it. With the surveys alone, you can make more than $50 in a month and lump this up together with an average of $8 per email you read for a month. You can total a phenomenal $800 to $1,000 doing just that. It's as good as any paying job that you can name. You don't have to enjoy this alone, and do not keep this to yourself, even if you'd be too busy to run the project. You can refer your loved ones and get paid a 15% commission off of their earnings on their accounts. That way, you can still earn without as much trying. This is all we have for you in this video. Let us know what you think in the comments section below. Before you leave, why not check out some of our other proven money methods in this playlist?